Hello friends, it is your friendly neighborhood Reza from channel Reza Blade. I am here on my maybe day 4, maybe day 5, it's all sort of blending together. I'm here on our adventure, which is Countdown to Halloween, the advent calendar released by Beautometry. There's a 20 item version and a maybe 13 item version. I don't quite recall with entirely accurate numbers, but that's my problem, not yours. Anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and open this so I can show you, just in case it's your first time joining us, so I can show you what we have in store for us in the next month. We're going to be doing this until the box is empty, and today we're going to do items 6 and 7. So I'm holding day 6 right now in my little hand. My hot little hand. And in case you watched yesterday's video, I still haven't quite figured out how to do those decals, but I am continuing to watch videos and try. So keep watching these videos. When I figure it out, I will show you, okay? Anyway, I mean, this is part of what the whole deal with my channel is, right? I am not perfect. The people who do this a lot, and I've been doing this for 5 years, I'm not perfect. We're not perfect. We all have things to learn, and I definitely have water slide decals to learn, apparently. So today I'm opening 6 and 7, and don't forget that number 1 video is a giveaway video. So definitely go to day 1 on my YouTube channel and answer the mystery questions so that you can win Beautometry's zombie plate. That is super exciting. So, and I think that entry is going to be done Friday or Saturday. Look at the description box for the notes on that. I have written that down so you can see for sure. All right, let's do this now, right? And welcome anyone who is joining us. Day 6. Okay, we have a polish. What kind of polish? Goodness gracious. As 3PO would say, C3PO, goodness gracious me. We'd also say thank the maker. I think we've got an orange. Did you know that the color orange was named after the fruit orange? Useless true facts from Reza. Okay, so this is really neat. B Loves Plates. This is a stamping polish I adore. I like their plates too. And I'm going to go ahead and, I don't know, should I pull out fake nails or should I pull out my tiles? Let's pull out one of my tiles. Here we go. I use these tiles. I got it from a hardware store. I just use these because it's glazed and it's easy to clean off with acetone to sort of try stuff out. This is a darker orange. This one is called B and Orange. That's a fun little thing about B Loves Plates names. They say BN or BA all the time. Make it kind of into a sentence. And I'm using B Loves Plates Spooky Halloween plate. This is B09. And I'm just going to sort of show you how this stamps, but more importantly, how this little item stamps. So let me pull out a paper towel, because I do have a silicone pad down, but I also really prefer making messes on paper towels. All right, let's see what we're doing here. I'm going to grab this negative space design. Whoops, you can't see me. I'm going to grab this negative space design, these ghosts. I have done a manicure with that before. It's one of my favorite images. And I'm just going to use one of these little clear scraper cards. I'm going to see if I can do it, because this is a negative space, which means I should be using a hard scraper card. And you want to get it as close to right up against the plate as you can. You don't want to like dig it in, because if you dig it in, you'll see little marks like that. That means I dug the card into the stamping area, even without meaning to. So I'm going to grab my lint roller. I'm going to get this excess off. There we go. Got that. I'm going to try it again. Let's make things clean. And here we go. We're going to do another one. And I'm going to pull out a little nail. I have a bunch of stuff like this on the side because I never quite know what I'm going to need with these videos, these unboxings that I do. I don't see anybody watching right now, which is very sad, but I'm going to do this guy right here. If you're on my YouTube channel, hello. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. It really helps me out. There we go. We've got skulls. I stamped it upside down, maybe. Anyway, the Be Loves Plates polish shows up good over kind of everything. So that's pretty awesome. Let me clean my mess up a little bit. I don't know whether Beautometry has this particular plate in stock or not, but they do carry the Be Loves Plates brand, and I do quite approve of the brand. Last year in the box, we got a beautiful green, which I still use on a very regular basis. So I'm really happy to add to my Be Loves Plates collection. It makes me very happy. All right, let's try out number 7, shall we? I love these little baggies, as I have told you before. All right, let's see what we've got here. All right. Happy Halloween, no tricks, only treats. Scratch to see what's underneath. That's fun. And here are the ingredients for what looks like cuticle putty. I have promoted this before for polish pickup and other things. It does have lanolin in it, which I'm allergic to. That's a sheep wool product. The scent is Halloween spice. I'm going to smell it real quick. I'm going to use it on my skin, but I'm not going to use it on the hand that has eczema because it will break me out. Come on. Can that get it open? Oh, it's sealed. Look here. This is very smart. Let's see. How do I open it? I have a feeling I'm missing something very obvious. If you've been waiting on other video releases from me, I've had some issues recording the last couple of days. Mostly have to do with my hands. But I will be recording today and tomorrow, I hope, for those videos I've been promising you. So we unsealed that. That's very good. I like that that is sealed. And Halloween spice smells like... By the way, I really do like this product. Even though I'm allergic to lanolin, I have used it from time to time. Oh, it's very full. This is nice. Gosh, very full. They don't cheat you on the amount. Okay, so I'm getting some clove, maybe? Cinnamon. I don't know, but it's a delicious, like, it is reminiscent of, like, carrot cake or whatever. So I'm going to go ahead and I do have skin problems, psoriasis, eczema, all the stuff, you know, autoimmune crap. And we'll see. I think this hand can handle it, though. I'm loving it. It is really soft and nice, and the scents for Beautometry's Cuticle Putty are always top-notch. They don't skimp on the scent. There are some scented products that I'll buy, and I'll be like, dude, this is just lotion, or this is just whatever, and it's not. It doesn't smell the way you thought it would smell, but really digging this. And then because I'm trying to be careful, I'm going to go ahead and wipe off what I can. So, pretty short day today. There's also a scratch off, so... Oh, wait, I totally ignored this. This is a ring pop. Do you remember these? I used to get these when I was little. I was never patient enough to actually wear the ring pop down. I always just sucked it until I could bite it, which is... it's a very good representation of how impatient I am, just generally. So anyway, I'm going to give this to one of my nieces. I'm not going to open it up because watermelon is a flavor that everybody in my family likes. So thank you, Therese, for that. And then let's see what kind of scratch off I can do. I thought I had a... Oh, here we go. I've got a quarter. I'm gonna rub it across so that I can see what we win. If there's a coupon code, feel free to use it. I probably won't buy anything soon because I'm broke. Like I said, I want everybody to use it at once. So I'll go ahead and cover it up, and I'll give it to maybe the winner of the giveaway that I'm drawing on. I think I'm drawing it on Saturday. We'll see. Look at the description box of video 1 for the countdown to Halloween. 11:30 is when this expires, I assume. $10 off 75 or more order. Pretty cool. All right, so I'm going to set this aside. And I'll set the ingredients for the cuticle putty aside. And I think we might be just about done. I'll do one more stamping, shall we? Just one more, because I love this orange. This is a great orange. Let's see if I have any pumpkins on this plate, shall I? What do we have here? Well, that's a scary face. Here is a pumpkin. Here are a bunch of pumpkins. Let's do this now. That's pretty cool. All right. So I'll pull back the paper towel so I can be as neat as I can stand, or I can manage. That's the word I meant. Let's go, let's go. This won't look good on the teal, but whatever. That's pretty fun. If you have this plate, you can do a reverse stamp to make this really pretty cool. I have a video on reverse stamping. I'll include that in the link in the description box, link below if you're on YouTube watching this. I think this would look even cooler if you filled in the eyes and the mouth, not the nose, with black. So, but that's about it for today's video. It doesn't look like many people joined me today, but maybe it's just the way that I am airing this live. So I am on the page instead of the group today. So I hope you enjoyed this. Keep an eye out for my next videos. Make sure that you're subscribed so that you get the new video alerts. And please let me know what you think of this video. Like it, comment, really helps me out. And I will see you guys tomorrow. Same time, 12 noon if you're Central Time, or 1 p.m. if you're Eastern Time. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.